In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can open the battery door on your GoPro Hero 11 Black. Alright, so this may seem simple to a lot of people, but there are some newbies out there who maybe don't know how to do this. So the way you do this is right here on the side. You just pull down, and it does have a little bit of a, and you do have to pull down on it kind of hard. Once you do, that's how you open up the door here. Now this door does come off, so in case you do pop it off like that, no need to worry. It pops off like so, and then you can put on another door like this if you have like the housing or something. But that's how you take the actual door off and then put it back on like so, just like that. And then pull down on this little tab, because you see how it pulls. Close it, so that way it's sealed back up in case you take it in water. But that's how you open the battery door to your GoPro Hero Black.